Linksys E1200 router setup. Welcome! Today we'll guide you through setting up your Linksys E1200 router in just a few easy steps. First, unbox your Linksys E1200 router and place it in a central location for optimal coverage. Connect the power adapter to the router and plug it into an outlet. Next, use the provided Ethernet cable to connect the router's one port to your modem. This will allow your router to access the internet. Now, connect your computer to the router. You can either use an Ethernet cable or connect to the default Wi-Fi network. The default network name and password are on the router label. Open your web browser and type 192.168.1.1 into the address bar. This will take you to the router's login page. Log in using the default username, which is blank, and the password, which is admin. Once logged in, the setup wizard will start automatically. In the wireless settings section, create a unique SSID for your Wi-Fi network and set a strong password to secure it. For added security, go to the administration settings and change the default admin password to something unique. Make sure to save and apply all your settings. The router might need to reboot for the changes to take effect. Test your internet connection by opening a web page. Reconnect your devices to the new Wi-Fi network using the SSID and password you set up. And that's it. Thanks for watching.